Yo, what's cracking? Today we're in Japan. Today's mission is to go to Shimokitazawa, which I've never been to before. They're famous for their vintage shopping. They also got really good food. Just getting up right now, getting sorted, get my backpack ready. Shimokitazawa, Tokyo. Let's do this. Actually, first, check this TV out. This shit is crazy. It's like the thickness of like a quarter. Bro. What the fuck? Made it to Shimokitazawa. First things first, food. We'll check flippers. You know, not the most Japanese spot, but trendy. Pancakes, brunch. Well, that was alright. Not incredible, but it was cool. Next things next, coffee. Fire. Such a beautiful day. Probably like 75 degrees. Headed to Chicago right now. This is probably the smallest dressing room I've ever been in. Too small. Did alright in there, got some basics, some things I've been needing. Getting hungry, about to hit some lunch. Cafe Stay Happy, you know, fuck with the name. Organic lunch, let's check it out. The organization is really the whole beauty of this. It's just everything's like so nicely separated. This is really kind of what separates it from thrift shopping in the States. This is another level. Sequin shit. Jean jackets. Colored, coordinated, collared shirts. Pulling up on another classic here. Flamingo. Hella classic rock, just banging in all these shops. So American. Color coordination though. What's up? That was fun. Got some joints. Not as many scores as I was hoping, but I got some basics that I needed. And I'll definitely be back soon. Shimokitazawa. Let's go to the park.
Yeah. Yes, you make us new rebels. Yes, you make us new rebels. Hey, yeah. I'm on my mission, oh yeah. I'm on my mission. Don't get it twisted. I'm on my mission, oh yeah. Don't get it twisted. I'm on my mission, oh yeah. Don't get it twisted. I'm on my mission, oh yeah. New rebels, we the new rebels. New rebels, we the new rebels. They be saying good is bad, they be saying bad is good. Everybody got it misunderstood.